Hello and welcome to the official tutorial on how to integrate Sayollo's SDK in your project. First of all, you will need to import our package. Click under Asset, Import Package, Custom Package, and locate the SDK in the folder you downloaded it to. Make sure everything is selected, click Choose All and then Import. If you already downloaded our SDK previously, you need to delete the old package and import the new one. This will take a couple of minutes. Now you can see the folder in your project, click on it and go to Prefabs. Now, let's go over the widescreen banner ad. Drag it to your hierarchy and place it wherever you want. The position of the widescreen banner ad is crucial, so make sure you place it where the user will see it. If you would like help with optimal screen location, you can contact our customer success team and they'll be glad to help you. You can also change the banner's size, but the aspect ratio will remain locked to 16:9. Create an empty object and name it whatever you wish. For this video, I've named it Sayollo SDK. Create a script and also name it whatever you want. I named it Sayollo SDK Manager. Let's see how it works in the code. First, I will go to the README file at GitLab. Here you can see how to integrate the SDK, but I will focus on the initialization part. I will copy the script. The name is different now, so I will change it to Sayollo SDK Manager. App ID is a unique key that you will get from our customer service. Each platform has a different key. GDPR, CCPA are laws on data and protection privacy. GDPR for the European Union and CCPA for California. They are dynamic values and you can set them to true or false. Regarding use GCOM, I'll explain about that in the next video. Let's try it now. This yellow screen called Sandbox. It happens when the app ID is incorrect. So let's fix it. This example is for Android. So I'll put my app ID in the Android field. Let's try again. Now you can see the sandbox is not showing, which means it works. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.